Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. Today we will learn a new topic which is Unit 9 Earth with me Cikgu Nuraihan. The learning objective for today's lesson is, at the end of the lesson, I want all of you know how to state natural sources of water such as rain, rivers, lakes, seas, and springs. But before that, let's sing this song together.
Flowing of water in the river, never stop, never stop. From where the source originated, let's learn, let's learn. Fresh air blowing, fresh air blowing, its movement can be felt. Give effect to the life. Let's investigate together.
Are the basic sources of life. Where does water originate from? So that is what we will learn today. Natural sources of water. There are 5 natural sources of water. The first one is rain. What is rain? Rain is water droplets that fall to the earth from clouds. Next natural sources is lakes. What is lakes? Lakes is a large area of water that is surrounded by land. The third one is sea. Sea is a large part of the earth's surface that is covered with salt water. Look, that is the salt water, very salty. The fourth one is springs. Do you know what is springs? Springs is a place where underground water flows out to the earth's surface. Look, the water comes from the underground. Next, rivers. What is river? Rains that fall to the earth form streams of water called rivers. So rivers is actually the rain that fall to the earth. So there are 5 natural sources of water. The first one is rain. The second one is lake. And then the third one is sea. The fourth one is river. And the last one is springs. Now, activity time. I want you to open your science activity book on page 63. I want you to color the pictures of the water sources below. Look, A, B, C, and D. All of them are water sources. First, I want you to color and then answer the question below. What are the water sources above? Look, A. What is A? River, isn't it? Then you write river. B, C, D. I want you to answer it yourself. Then turn to page 64. Look at the question. Label the natural sources of water in the pictures below. Look, there are 5 pictures and I want you to label the natural sources of water. Label based on the picture. Okay? Next activity is I want you to open your science textbook on page 104. I want you to make a bubble map on natural sources of water. Look, the apparatus and materials that you need is pictures of natural sources of water from various media. You can find it in the internet, you can use your magazine. I want you to find the picture of natural sources of water. Then you need scissors, colored paper and glue. Step number 1. Collect pictures of natural sources of water. There are 5, isn't it? So you must have 5 pictures. And then draft out your bubble map. You know how to do bubble map, right? First you have to draft out first. Draft out the 5 natural sources of water, and then step number 3, paste the pictures accordingly to form a bubble map. You can use boxes or manila card. You can use them to paste the pictures, and then share your bubble map with your classmates. Yes, I want you to take pictures of you holding the bubble map. Then I will make a video to show to your other classmates, okay? Look, this is the example of the picture. That is me holding the bubble map that I have made. Okay, remember you have to take pictures of you holding the bubble map. I want the bubble map together with you, okay? Next, attach the picture of you holding the bubble map via our Google Classroom, and then take pictures of the answered pages too, which is page 63 and 64, and send it in our Google Classroom too. That's all for today. Thank you, class. Science is fun.